This was the day our Tamil culture we are celebrating Aadi 18. First time this river water will be coming, we have to use the agriculture. So we have to make the welcome for this water, river water. So they are my neighbors. Thank you so much.